traveling. Now waiting for our train to go to Tokyo, find our hotel. Wearing our matching shirts. Zig's messed his up a bit. He's a bit grumpy and sleepy. After getting lost in Tokyo Station, we finally found our room. So we grabbed a quick ice cream, and I'm gonna try out these egg sandwiches that everyone raves about. So that's dinner tonight. It's about midnight Australia time, so everyone's tired and exhausted. Alright, so this is the egg sandwich from Family Mart, and I don't like egg, and I don't like sandwiches, so
it's a bad time.
We'll see how we go. Poppy and Zig got gifts from the reception. Let's give this a go. Everyone raves about these. Smells like a fart.
Do you like it?
Tastes like egg.
Of course it would taste like egg.
We're now on our way to Takayama. We just got to Takayama, found our accommodation. Do you like it here so far?
Yeah.
Zig, you like it here so far?
Do you like it?
Let's go explore. So we're just walking to the old town part of Takayama to see the autumn festival. Hopefully it's still on because it's a bit wet, but we'll see how we go. Smell it? This is a little rice balls with soy sauce. Let's see how it goes.
Ziggy wants to have a go.
Can I have a go?
Alright, this is the super spicy rice cracker, was it?
I'm pretty sure it was. Can I try it next?
Oh, good.
Tastes like good.
Tastes like good.
I'll just try this bit.
Alright, try that bit.
What do you reckon?
Spicy, pretty spicy, and good. It's so spicy.
Yum. Delicious, isn't it?
Gonna try it now. Yeah, it's good. Did you try it?
It's so sweet.
What's it taste like?
Like I don't know, mostly like a marshmallow.
It tastes like a marshmallow.
Try one!
So unfortunately last night it started to rain, so the Takayama Autumn Night Festival wasn't going ahead. The floats didn't come out because of the rain. We still got to see the floats, but couldn't get close enough because of all the crowds that were there. But we still had fun exploring the town. It's early in the morning now. I'm just walking to the train station to book some Shinkansen tickets to go to Kyoto tomorrow. Then we'll pretty much have a lazy day in Takayama, looking around. We're going to go to the retro museum, go to the sake vending machine place, which I'm pretty excited about. See if I can get silly, and yeah, we'll see what else we can do. Hopefully try some yum food. So while I'm walking, I thought I'd give my thoughts on Takayama. Yeah, we loved it. It's a beautiful place. The old town is pretty amazing. They call it the little Kyoto of the Japanese Alps. But yeah, it's a beautiful town. I'd highly recommend coming out here, even if it's just for the train trip alone. The train trip from Nagoya to Takayama was amazing. It reminded me a lot of the South Island of New Zealand. So yeah, it's beautiful, amazing. Highly recommend. Delicious alcohol and food and recollections of a boy's day. We're going to the morning market to get some street food, hopefully. Try some yum things, yeah. Tighter beef. Is it yum? Like? Better than when I cook steaks?
I never tried your steak. Is it steak?
Yeah, tighter beef. What do you think it was? Chicken. Brown chicken. Brown chicken, brown cow.
They're really good.
It's me and your mum.
No, it's not.
Smells like apple. Oh no. Daddy's gonna bomb it soon, I reckon. Oh no. Right, we found one we haven't tried yet, so let's try this.
And it's probably going to be mystery.
Mystery one. Come pie. These are the little ceramic cups that we use. Sorry, I've had a little bit too much sake. So these are the little sake cups that we use that we got from the vending machine. So we get to take these home, they're little ceramic cups, so they're good keepsake. So pop it in the plastic bag to take home. Alright, the family's left me to go get some ice cream, but I stumbled across another sake brewery. Got myself another cup, paid for a tasting, so I get to try everything in the fridge.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Sake's to try. I'm halfway through the tasting at the second brewery, sake brewery. Okay, got more to try. Let's try this pink one. What is it? It's fruity, ice cold chilled. Let's try this one. Ugh. But that was peppery. Oh, we got this yellow one. Just want to try 3 more to go. It's starting to feel a little bit.
What does it taste like?
Sake. Went down to the last 2. How many more left? 1?
Yeah, one.
Good. And then sake ice cream. Last one to try. Kampai. Delicious. Sake ice cream. This, after drinking about 1 million sakes,
It can't be a million.
this is a sake ice cream. It's good. Right, we're going into the Takayama Retro Museum after trying 1 million sakes. So let's see how we go. Let's go through. Today, class, we're going to be learning about the birds and the bees. You're on detention.
Why?
Little lady, you are on detention. You've been saying the C word.
I haven't. I think
You
he
did.
said it.
Who said it?
Ziggy.
Ziggy? Ziggy? Did you say the C word in class? Currently at the Takayama Retro Museum. It's pretty cool. It's got all old school toys, retro gaming, Japanese gambling. It's got a makeshift retro Japanese school. Yeah, kids are having lots of fun. I'm having lots of fun. Hi little boy, how would you like your haircut? She's this big thing.
It doesn't work.
Lunchtime. I got ramen. He's got ramen. He got ramen in his hair. Flavor, yeah.
I got berry.
we're just on a mission to go find some Maccas.
We left Mum and Zig at home.
We left Mum and Zig at home.
Because Zig's sleeping.
Yeah, so I think we're getting close. I can see the golden arches over there.
I see the sign. We're at our front door now and we're gonna go prank Mum that because like we're gonna say to her that we saw a bear and we had to run into McDonald's. So let's go do it. So when we were walking to McDonald's, we saw a bear and we had to run into McDonald's.
Pranked you.